Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Be Real from Be Real 420, where we're going to discuss and review anything that's 420 related. And we're glad to have you on this day. You know, if you're new to this channel, everything on this channel is for educational purposes only, but I do hope you have a good time as you follow along. And everything on this channel is going to be 2018 Farm Bill compliant, which I'm real excited because no matter what part of the country you're in, you can get 420 products delivered right to your door. And yes, this is the real deal. Everything that you get at the dispensary, everything that you get from your plug, everything that you get from a medical place, you don't need a medical card. You don't need to be over in Colorado or California to get this stuff anymore. Ever since the 2018 Farm Bill went into place, now anything that's under 0.3% by dry weight THC is considered hemp by law. And you know what? The majority of the THC percentage is going to be in the THCA percentage. So THCA is the precursor, in case you're not aware, of THC. And that's how we're able to enjoy and have a good time on these products. So without further ado, I'm real excited to bring back to the channel ShopHelloMary. So anyways, real quick, just to give you a backstory, I recently did a review on Banana Blast Rosin. And the consistency was not what I was used to, right? So I reached out to ShopHelloMary and they said without any hesitancy, right? They said, hey, I'm sorry, it's been real hot out here. We're going to go ahead and send you a replacement product. And because they realized I had recently started a channel, they went ahead and sent out a couple extra things for review. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this box. I've already opened it. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't showing my address. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up the box. So the first thing you're ever going to see inside should be the letter to law enforcement. This just lets anybody know that is opening this box, this is industrial hemp products and not the M word by law, even though it's really the same thing. But don't tell anybody. So this is ShopHelloMary. ShopHelloMary, we're glad to have you back. Next in the box, I can already see it. It's the very beautiful stickers that you're always going to get with ShopHelloMary. I have stickers all over my wall, and I'm going to continue to collect them. Thank you, ShopHelloMary. What else do we have? Oh, okay, I got my inventory. Okay, so there was this bag inside. I love these bags. I love putting stuff in them. They're really cool. I actually have quite a collection of them. Like I said, I bought several times. So it has the Ziploc seal right there. And inside is going to be our packets. And you're going to see ShopHelloMary.com. So if you want to check out the website, there it is. ShopHelloMary.com. New website, guys. And by the way, I was looking at the website, you know, as I do every single week, as this is one of my favorite vendors. They have some really cool stuff on the website. I saw Rolo Runts, Blue Nerds is new, and that's in the small, so you get a really good deal. It's like less than $100 for the ounce of the small. So that's a really good deal. I would definitely check it out. That's probably going to be one of my next purchases. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So this is actually for a future video. This is the large bubblegum gelato. I've actually had the smalls twice in the ounce. Like I said, their smalls are really good deals. So you're getting the small version of the big buds at a much smaller price. So if you want to check out the code and take a shot right there. Again, it's ShopHelloMary.com, where the grass is always greener. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, ShopHelloMary. I'm going to make sure to review this on the next video. Or the future video. Awesome. And so this is the one I've been waiting for. So just so you know, like I said, they were willing to replace the one that I had before, my previous rosin. And this is the GMO Z. So I believe this is like a GMO crossed with Skittles. And if I am wrong, please put in the comments what it actually is. That's THCA rosin, 2018 Farm Bill compliant, and it was packed on 8/16/24. 1 gram of ShopHelloMary.com, Rosin. Okay, and what we're all waiting for, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so I have the HelloMary hash rosin. This is going to be the GMO Skittles with a nice graphic sticker on the side. Cold cured live rosin, 70/149U, 1 gram of THCA rosin. Very nice container. Let's see it if we can see through. You can always see the bottom, and so you can see what you got. Okay guys, I got it open and we got a close-up of the GMO Skittles rosin. And that looks really, really good. Let me get a little bit closer. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm used to from HelloMary rosin, guys. This is hash rosin. And guys, they sell this for only $40 a gram. And if you use code Space City, it's 10% off of that. So I mean, I can't figure out where I could get something better than that for that price. So you already know what we gotta do next. We gotta put this in something. How about we put it in the bomb? Okay guys, I got the bomb out and I've got the rosin open, ready to go. The smell on this is wonderful. Love the garlic, onion, and the sweet Mary Jane that's popping out with the sweet Skittles. So we already know how to work the bomb. If you're not familiar, you click it 5 times to turn it on. And it's going to light up. It's going to preset to 200 degrees. That way, if you don't have a hot knife, no big deal. And I'm one of those people that does not have a hot knife. So let me go ahead and scoop out. Oh, this looks beautiful. Guys, I don't want to take too big of a dab, but let's get a nice one for the camera. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you're going to go into my bomb, and we're going to take a dab with Be Real. I wonder if I should be a singer. So anyways, it's heating up right now. There we go. What I'm going to do next, bear with me real quick, is I'm going to put the top back on. And what I'm going to do is let it start heating up. I hold down the button till it gets to about 375, 380. Then I'm going to go in for the dab. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh wow. The flavor on that, guys. The garlic and onion. Wow. Oh, it's hitting me. Give me a second. Oof. Oof. Yeah, that's powerful. Let's see if there's anything left on there. I took a pretty big one. Yeah, there's still some on there, guys. Let's go back for seconds. Like I said, I'm going to heat it up. All right. Whoa. Ha ha. Nice. Nice, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. I had to stop the camera for a second. I was about to cough my head off. I was choking up. But yeah, the flavor is really good. Got a nice dab, nice effects. There's still even a little bit left. I took a pretty nice sized dab. See what? Yeah, man. So Really good effects. I'm feeling it right now. I'm getting heavy in the eyes. Really awesome flavor. Like, this was even better than the last one I tried. And obviously it looks better. The consistency is there. You can see the terps just separating a little bit. It came in the middle just like that. And that, guys, is what you're looking for in consistency and texture in a real hash rosin. This is nice. The flavor was there. You see me talking nice and soft and quiet. Man, this is real intense, guys. And you can only get this at ShopHelloMary.com. Look, I'm always going to give you an honest review. The last one was not up to par, but these guys made it right. And boy, did that. Boy, did they. So I'm telling you what, if I'm going to get hash rosin, I'm going to get it from ShopHelloMary.com. But that's just my opinion. I want to know from you guys, would you cop this or would you pass? Leave a comment, like and subscribe. And remember to use code SPACECITY at checkout. We'll see you guys later. Peace.